viewer mayambo ahan maktada taram nokchari laija entertainment da ngarang day 1 da ina chemistry gi topic macha mangrang lokhalaga mayam da tawjagi baduda koi mayam dagi yengbiriba mayam dagi yamna positive oiba comment da yamna positive oiba suggestion ke ama bibirak pai damak ahambada koi yengbiriba viewer punamakko ai site dagi harawa amadi thagat pa phongdoksai duma ngasi sina ngarangi kon makha chathar poina ay ngarangi part akit tang ai sum remind taw jaram ge ngarang aina taw jagi basi ionic bond gi matang dai kamana ionic bond form tawi habi do gi matang dai samla papire aduga my characteristic of ionic bond pho ai ngang taw jagre ionic bond hai ta ga di ngarang ju akit remind taw jabaduni transfer taw sembani madi polar solvent to me aduga kogi magi molten state natraga magi liquid state tama se electric conduct to ngami maramdi solid state tadi amna rigid oi na bond tat pangamde aduga liquid natraga molten state tadi magi bond je kitang weak oi bana maram war kana monda line tat la kanda electron pair toroga magi current conduct to ngami hana ingang panjagre ngasi sina ngarangi makha chathu jarak ko ina ai ngarangi another type of bond ai amdang khotchage ngarangi makhada ngasi tabudu besina covalent bond ngarang aina bond makhan ahum tawjagi duda sisna ani suba makhan duni covalent bond sina ngasi dagi ai ngasi chathajage first of all ai covalent bond si kaino hanai samnape explain kitang hana tawjage covalent bond hai taragadi ngarangi ionic bond jina transfer tawraga semba bond aduga covalent bond hai taragana combining atom and combine tawduba atom ani dugi marakta by the mutual sharing of electron transfer tawbana taw mutual sharing amma dagi su awat pelawa amana su awat pelawa aduga ani maktuna share tawnara kanda form tawba bond dubana covalent bond ko the bond which is formed by the mutual sharing of electron between the two combining atom. Semagi definition ni combining atom ani ge marakta mutual sharing lele rotam jini magi covalent bond gi top pasi mutual sharing tongara kanda siamba bond bu covalent bond ko ai example lawa ma'am da ujarake then example log denge da mayam da definition do pi garba matung da mayam da gai mayam da jam gi ga hadi mutual sharing to basi da magi electron pair amakhat mutual sharing to ba ma natraga na pair ani mutual sharing to ba ma or pair ahum sharing to ba ma kai gumba pair amamam khatang share to ga di adu ba khona single bond har khangna gani adu ga pair ani sharing to na ga same bond na koina covalent gi manung da double bond hai gani aduga akoi pair ahum na mutual sharing to kan the same bond na triple bond ai maduna kona maka patam dai lakjarage hojik ai covalent bond kamana form to wi hai loge ai samope example lor lai jage aham bada ai example hum kam lakhat ke covalent compound covalent compound ho lakhat ke so covalent compound da CH bond methane ai carbon compound ho lakhat ke hai ba CH4 sida sigi compound se covalent bond ni kari manam gi no har gadi C ga H ka ni gi marak ta fana riba bond se covalent bond na far matung da form to compound ho bagi This compound is known as covalent bond. The combiner bond mutual sharing to only get have the charage. Carbon dioxide low to share, Shamagi valence electron configuration the 2 and 4 because its atomic number is 6. Outermost level electron Marie is quite carbon the outermost level electron Marie is sort of Jage Marie layer. Aduga hydrogen Marie hydrogen Marie is the heights Marie again 1, 2, 3. Hydrogen number the yaw to shama atom number 1 in a Mangonda is only 1 electron Makagawani Mangonda. This cross marks in the Toshina, hydrogen the Yarba, electron Amaduni and Oxy. Some laying around to Bonama formed of wire semagi stable electronic configuration, Tanabi the map, a what to do long nobody. See the shoe carbon then as I like this carbon like is 2 go 4 gani. My eye or get stable dagada as a 4 cut lavenina, Mamon the 4 among wally. Although hydrogen so minimum doplet and I get 2 like my stable target only a 1 cut lavenina, Malamon the so stable target of Shiwali. Aduna carbon to stable tadre, hydrogen to stable tadre. Aduna carbon sina, Mamon stable tana with the mug electron cam the cow, 4 electron the cow. She the 4 layer another 4 laga the eye target onina. Mana magi surrounding the layer of hydrogen marida electron among Yaribus mana oxylani. The target the carbon yakob the relay say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Carbon I tare, there is carbon going to my stable tar. Hydrogen amagi di 1 cut lay. Masa 2 level matamda magi stable target boni. Aduna carbon gi amase hydrogen amana oxygen. Manda udana sigi hydrogen sinasu sigi carbon de amamam laurani. Laura. Adu dekho sida kai khani. Hydrogen asu carbon dagi stable tanabi damak amalawi. Carbon asu hydrogen singsidagi stable tanaba amamam lawi. That is the mutual sharing. Amanasu lawa amanasu lawa. Amma khakna bithok na taba. Moy ani makki marakta chamanana 50-50 nisi share to marakanda mokoi ani marakta bond amamam form. That is si electron pair amani si pair amani pair amani pair amani. So I should yaksa carbon had sigi pair amalai ta that is single bond. Sisu pair nina single bond single bond single bond. She will gonna simply see height. Adu di kuna mamanga ionic bond kita ko matamda electron do ahen bana awat pada transfer tau bibani awat pada na ahen pada pirak pana te adu sidana amana supiba moy ani magna share tau ngana kanga form do bond do covalent bond haben siju magi covalent bond example ai example ani humdang pige compound tongan for example namada chlorine molecule. Chlorine se magi yamna naturally adjust over quite small form the mass molecule form the ligani and a chlorine molecule the form the umata there is chlorine atom anina share to maraka bond form the kind of same money see chlorine ahan chlorine da when like say 2 8 7 my configuration is 2 8 7 see outer mo 7 say ke 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 from the masu mana dot on represent again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 stable tanaba 1 wali sisu 1 wali makoi ani se amamam hapse laga di stable ta ga dong ni aduna sigi chlorine taret outermost level taret china mangon di amma laura kada that is nipan sur manda udana sigi sisu taret ni mana mangon lagi amma laura kada sisu nipan sur that is chlorine atom ani gi manung sida kone share to mai se electron amamam sharing to mara kada bond form to kana kona Sibani mana Cl2 hai. Sumai tawdana compound se koi covalent compound mayam laigre hariba bond khudingmak sumaina mutual sharing tawnara kanda bond loina form tawbani aduga ai description di izadre ado example ama khatan lokhakke hariba example duda ai description amtang ige masai da aina lawra ibe example singsiga hajik aina ama ige dori siga adum manai yam example khudingmak ki ira lairaga di ngasi tawriba matam gi limit kitang laibana ai mana ba ama yenga kan chap mana ba pot to yum tang ijage hanaki compound se dai kitang explain phajana iramage formation of ammonia compound that is nice. Command form that we have to see with explanation loina nai ijara age a molecule of ammonia is formed. By the combination of one atom of nitrogen with 3 atoms of hydrogen. Anh mathak tổng ý ra cái sự continuation. There are 5 electrons in the valence shell of nitrogen atom. So it has 3 electrons short of to complete each octet and to be stable. When it share three electron with 3 hydrogen atom. The stable electronic configuration is achieved. Formation of ammonia haibasida aina mayamda sigi description ama piribase mayamna notes toxin view ay amtang pathoksarake. A molecules of ammonia is formed by the combination of one atom of the nitrogen with three atoms of the hydrogen. Nitrogen ki atom amaga hydrogen ki atom ahunga combine torakanda ammonia molecule is formed tawduni. In detail, there are 5 electrons in the valence shells of nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom ga koi the electron manga lai gani magi configuration che 2 5 ni electron manga lai. So it has 3 electrons sort of to complete its octets and to be stable. Mana nitrogen atom jine stable ta ge ha gadi mangon the electron ahum daka lai manga lai gre ahum duma pira gadi ma se ai ta ga dong ni na stable ta na phona the electron ahum daka lai. When it shares 3 of its electron with 3 hydrogen atoms, the stable electronic configuration is achieved. Karigumba nitrogen atom na masagi waliba electron ahum se maga loinaraga laiba 3 hydrogen atom sidagi mana share tawrakanda magi electronic configuration habdi nipan do tare that is achieved taw. Aduga nitrogen lo yadi achieved tawre adu laihoriba hydrogen atom ahum dusu masu stable configuration tanabagi damak nitrogen lagi manamu electron amamam share tawrakanda helium configuration that is electron ani magi balance shell to the yawakanda hydrogen is stable tare nitrogen is stable tare and stable tamina kana NH3 ammonia iba compound form tawkani si ji aina explain tawjariba sai diagram yaga yam da mena bab tana ba explain tawjarake. So now description P give diagram explain to nitrogen ki configuration se 2 5 ni that is my outermost electron manga lai masu stable tana electron ahum wali aduga hydrogen ju masai jo na mang explain to jaro doni hydrogen da electron amamong kak lai mina my stable oi the electron ani da ka. So NH3 sida nitrogen ki electron manga se sida yakjarage 1 2 3 4 5. Nitrogen ko da electron 1 2 3 4 5 electron manga lai ma stable ta no hona bada electron ahum wale hai ba ahum se ko hydrogen ahum yawi that is 3 hydrogen molecule ma ge se electron amam lai e cross na hydrogen electron do ne na ma da represent ho ge nitrogen na daka lai ba electron ahum se stable ta na ba ahum se ma gi lai ba hydrogen ya ba electron amam se da gi mana oxygen Beda gadi masagi 1 2 3 4 5 amaga naung loksilapa 6 7 8 ma stable configuration acceptor. Sumai tau gana hydrogen sina su ma 2 tarakan stable oi gadong nina masagi 1 lai jare nitrogen lagi amma lawakan da ma ani tare dumana sigi hydrogen ahum sina nitrogen lagi amamam lawakan da ma hydrogen ani that is electron ani lai re ma gi su ani lai re ma gi su ani lai re habdi hydrogen su stable do achieve ware nitrogen su stable do achieve ware adu di sida ko na ise bond 1 2 3 ni adu ka tawriba magi share tawri su only one pair of electron oibana single bond form tawkani ikona nitrogen aga 1 2 and 3 siba kona NH 3 have a compound ammonia form tawkani adu ne ne sa jagi do nitrogen ko do manga lai awat pa ahum do maga lai nari ba hydrogen ahum dagi share to kan stable oire adumai do na hydrogen amakak lai bisu nitrogen dagi awat pa lo kan by the mutual sharing do kan da sigi covalent compound mo ko ammonia se form to ko masigi covalent compound gi silak pasaru oina ina ngasai hypet horakpada hints piriba magi share koi electron pair masing khelabai matungina covalent bond sigi manungda su amuk bond makan ahum lai hariba bond makan ahum lai explain tawjarake. Now there are three types of bond in covalent compound. That is number 1, single bond. Single bond, the bond which is formed by the sharing of only one pair of electrons. Karigumma combining atom ani dugi marakta electron amamam khaktang share taw means electron pair ama share tawraga form taw tagadi that is the single bond. Example, high share, that is this bond is single bond. Sida electron amam kak share tawunina this bond is single bond. So and the next another type, double bond. The bond which is formed by the sharing of two pairs of electron. The bond which is formed by the sharing of two pairs of electron. Electron pair ani sharing tawraga sema bond bu double bond kawi. Magi symbol sina khangna. The example da napong holokat ke carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is C double bond O and double bond O. At the electron pair ani na same. That is carbon da mali laini. Oxygen da taruk lagi dong 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 nipan tana ba share small logani oxygen nipan tare carbon da nipan tana ba small logani. That is pair ani two pairs of electrons se khoi share to na kan form to bond jibna double bond. So mana last type of bond sina koi triple bond. Electron pair se share koi ahum electron pair ahum share to na kan da form to bond sibna triple bond ha khanai si su kind of a covalent bond. Triple bond. Agi symbol na sila khana gani. The bond which is formed by the sharing of, this is the three pairs of electrons between the two combining atoms. For example, nitrogen molecule. 1 2 3 4 5 nitrogen ya outermost manga lai adumai another nitrogen amada su 1 2 3 4 5 manga lai stable tana ba atopa atom dagi ahum ama pura kanda nipan ama sisu ahum ama pura kanda nipan. That is 3 pairs of electron mana share tawne che हाबदी नाइट्रोजन से इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर अहम शेयर तौरकान फॉर्म तौई दिस इज द ट्रिपल बॉन्ड अदुना खोना समलप कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड अमदि कोवैलेंट कंपाउंड नि मतंग दा मसी एक्सप्लेन तौजबनी अदुगा ngasi gi damakta di matang swai da losinjarage ai next amuk lakpada ai haiba chemical bonding ki last part oriba coordinate bond or dative bond have say next explain tawsage ngasi gi su kaigumba mayam sina yengiriba mayam na tawjariba covalent bond gi matang da piriba explanation ataka magi description se fazana clear bab taba nuaiba kanai na khanbiragadi LAISHRAM entertainment bu support of you subscribe to view aduga kami tawjariba online class asibu ung thobat view afaba suggestion kya ama magi comment box ta